I'm back again with another beautiful piece of jewelry from JEULIA Jewelry. This time I chose something so very special to my heart. Don't forget to use my code PAUTY15 for you to get 15% off your purchase. This is such a beautiful little token, I would say. It's a remembrance, it's a reminder of both my parents. So just as always, it comes in this beautiful black little box in silver, writing Julia, and the necklace. It's a personalized necklace, so beautiful. You can engrave the initials that you desire. I chose G and G, which are the names of my both parents, and I want to wear it close to my heart. Anyway, so you can choose any initials you want. Your mother, your father, your loved one, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever. It's so unique. You have a rewards program, free standard shipping, no minimum, points for purchase, return shipping reimbursement, priority service, birthday gift cards. It's amazing. It comes with a greeting card. It always comes with a little bag that you can put your jewelry inside and give it as a gift. The little cloth for you to, keep your jewelry always shiny. It's perfect. The booklet. Oh my gosh, the booklet is amazing. You have everything here. You have rings, you have earrings, you have bracelets, you have gifts for him, gifts for your husband, your boyfriend. You have bracelets, you have everything. And don't forget the metal. JEULIA Jewelry, they're all made of 925 sterling silver. You can wear it, you can shower, you can do whatever you want. I never take off my JEULIA jewelry, never. And they never tarnish. It's amazing, it's beautiful. So you can get all the gifts here. The booklet is fantastic. You can make it personal like I did, that I chose the necklace with a personalized names on it, initials on it. It's fantastic. It's always fun to look at Julia's booklet, always. Okay, the necklace. It is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's the sun and the moon. You see the sun and the moon, and you can personalize it, as I said. Put the initials of your loved ones, a friend, or your child. It's really cool. And don't forget, if you buy a ring and you have the tag, just take off the tag after you know that you're keeping the ring. Okay, so there it is, my beautiful necklace, personalized with my parents' initials to keep it very close to me and very close to my heart. It is the moon and the sun. It's gorgeous. It's so delicate. It's dainty. It's beautiful. Don't forget to use my code. And thank you, Julia, one more time. I love it. It's gorgeous.